From the heading, you have already understood the topic of this video, Madhubani Art. But did you know? What is the connection of the Madhubani art with Ramayana? What is the connection of Madhubani art with Japan? How does a totally local art form turn world famous? What is the connection of the Madhubani art with the environmental cause? What are the various symbols and their meaning in Madhubani art? The interesting history associated with the art form. Watch the video carefully. At the end of the video, there will be some tricky questions that you can answer in the comment section. That will help all of us to develop a better understanding about Madhubani art. In this video, we will try to cover the details about Madhubani art, but at the same time, we will try to explore a few unknown and interesting facts about the art form. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Swadeshs. Here we create beautiful and informative videos on Indian art and culture. If you find value, please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get regular updates. Painting in the Mithila region of Bihar in India and Nepal is known as Mithila painting or Madhubani art. It was traditionally one of the skills that were passed down through families, primarily by women. Material and medium. Traditionally, the paintings were done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of hut. Natural pigments and dyes are used to create the artwork. Traditionally, these paintings are made by artists using a variety of tools such as their own fingers, twigs, brushes, knee pens, and matchsticks. But now, they are also done on cloth, handmade paper, and canvas. At present, artists also use ready-made colors to create the artwork. Style. There are 5 distinct styles of Madhubani art. Bharni. It is particularly recognized for its vivid and bright colors. This artistic style has traditionally used to depict Hindu deities. Katchni, a traditional picture style from the Kayastha community. It is typically created in monochrome or with just 2 colors. Tantrik, a very distinctive painting style of Madhubani art, is the Tantrik style. Mostly depicts religious texts and symbolism of Tantra Hinduism. Godna. Chanu Devi is accredited for creating the Godna Madhubani painting using a bamboo pen and kajal. This artwork depicts natural objects including animals, birds, plants, the tree of life and flowers. Khobar. Khobar is an auspicious marriage art diagram that is customarily painted on a wall during the wedding ceremony. Women created this painting to wish the newlywed couple blessings from God and family. Brahmin women, the upper caste in India and Nepal, were primarily responsible for the Bharni and Tantrik styles. Paintings created by members of lower castes often featured symbols and elements of daily life. Nowadays, Madhubani art is a globalized art form, so there are no caste-based differences in the works. There are 3 different categories of Mithila paintings according to the drawing surface. 1. Bhittichitra, done on the mud walls of houses. 2. Aripana or Alpana, done on floors. 3. Patachitra, canvas or paper art which was created later. The origin of this art. According to legend, Sita's father, Raja Janaka, organized a large group of artists to decorate the entire kingdom with his distinctive art. Thus, it can be traced back to the Ramayana period. Historically, it is a 2500 years old folk art that originated in the Mithila region of Bihar. Drawing style. Bold colors are used by Madhubani artists to create geometric and floral patterns. Another distinctive feature of this art is that no sketches are used in its creation. This distinguishes it from other well-known paint art in general. Signs and symbols. Madhubani paintings are created using symbols, lines, and patterns that correspond to a particular theme. The symbol fish stands for fertility, good luck and procreation. Peacock indicates love, religion and romance. Serpents stand for divine protectors. Sun and moon are believed to bring prosperity and joy to the family. Uses of symbols and geometric shapes in Madhubani paintings have a connection with Feng Shui philosophy. History and discovery. Before 1930, this traditional art was unknown outside the Madhubani region. In 1934, Bihar suffered with major earthquake. British officer William J. Archer, who was very fond of Indian art and culture, found this unique art on damaged walls during his inspection. Till 1960, Madhubani art was only a traditional art form of the local region. This artwork began to attract interest of various art dealers across the nation by the late 1970s. After that, Madhubani art has become globally popular and heavily commercialized. Madhubani painting is equally famous in Japan. Mithila Museum is the brainchild of Tokyo Hasegawa. Located in the Tokamachi Hills in Niigata Province, Japan, a treasure trove of 15,000 exquisite, unique and rare Madhubani paintings. Madhubani painting for environmental cause. Madhubani paintings are used by artists as a preventive method for cutting down trees. Hindu deities are painted on these trees by artists, hence preventing them from chopping down because of their strong religious convictions among people. Since Madhubani painting has only been practiced in a small geographic area and has been passed down through the generations, its subject matter and aesthetic have largely not changed. Madhubani painting of Bihar has received geographical indication status in 2007. Some notable Madhubani artists: Padma Shri and Shilpguru Sita Devi, Padma Shri Ganga Devi, Padma Shri Mahasundari Devi. Some questions to the community for the community. Do you really think that Madhubani painting was there during the time of Ramayana? If yes, then why it remained confined to only one local region after that? Japanese paintings are usually very simple, focusing mostly on landscapes and are majorly monochromatic. Then why do you think highly ornamental painting like Madhubani became famous in Japan? With which other paintings does Madhubani share a resemblance, considering its signs and symbols? Share your answers in the comment section. Also, share any Madhubani artwork you have created.
Hope you find the video useful and informative. Comment and let us know if we missed something. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.